Hello, class. Okay, so I'm going to teach you guys how you can put a picture on here and make it fit into as a circle, okay? So what you're going to do first is say that you are doing this on whales, okay? So you are going to go here and you can upload an image from your computer. So you'll have to find your image beforehand and you can put it into your Google Drive or you can just save it to your computer. So I went through and I already found a picture and I saved it to my computer. So I'm going to click here, upload from my computer, and I'm going to pick the image that I chose. Then I'm going to put it right there. So I'm going to move it off to the side right now. Then you have to hit this little button. It's the crop, but it says mask image. Okay, so it's this little button that looks like it says crop image, and then right here with the little drop down, click that. Choose shapes and then pick circle, and it should turn your image into a circle. Then you can move it right here and you can just put it over those words. Okay, so you can move it out as much as you want. You can make it fit however you want. Okay, and you can rotate it. You can turn it. Okay, however you want. Okay, so that should help you be able to get those images into a circle. Okay, thanks guys.